Hey guys, welcome back to vlog 196. I'm out here today just to record myself and get that daily recording session in, but also to recap on my day. Now, as you may notice, I am back in my Honda. You probably can't see much, but this is my Honda CRV. I've been missing this vehicle for just a little bit. It's just another thing that I can thank you guys for. You brought my car back. Unfortunately, my car's back, but now my aircon's fucked in my car. Luckily, it's winter, but the aircon did work before I went to the mechanic, and then when I came home from the mechanic after getting the car back, now the aircon all of a sudden doesn't work. Could be a coincidence. I don't know what the deal is with it, but I will be contacting them about it, because there's no way in hell I'm going to be paying $1,500 to get the AC fixed. So once the AC stuffed on this car, I'm probably just going to keep it that way. I can't afford to fix it. It's already been fully replaced, condenser replaced, everything aircon related has been replaced. Hoping it's only just a regassing problem. If it's just regassing, it's only going to cost a small amount of money, but if it's an entire system failure, I don't know what's going on. When the car got jump started by my brother, he was pushing it and I was in the car and playing around with the manual clutch, and then release the clutch to the right amount of momentum to get the car to actually start. The aircon booted up straight away, was working perfectly fine, and when I dropped the vehicle off and then came back a couple of days and picked up that vehicle, well, the AC is not working. So I don't know what it is. Maybe, like I said, a coincidence, but they did take 4 hours of labor to get the starter motor replaced on the vehicle. So we're at a weird situation. I don't want to really fork out any more money, and honestly, just not feeling it. But apart from that, I did get heavily into reading my book, so much so that we've pretty much finished half the book here. And what I've learned is that I use a lot of my left hemisphere thinking. I have my analytical brain working overtime, especially in conversations. I'm holding back what I'm saying. I'm assessing everything before I bring it out. And most of the time in conversations, not sure if I do that in the vlogs, but I have watched vlogs of myself where I feel overly uncomfortable watching and listening to. So if you guys ever feel that way about my vlogs, please comment down below and just say, like, it sounds like you're hesitating. Just put the feeling in, like, even if it's a little bit of a negative feedback. Don't think I'm that sensitive that I can't take your negative feedback. I need to hear it. I need to know when this left hemisphere of my brain is acting up, because I want to get more in touch with my inner self, my joyful self, that one that brings joy when you guys watch these videos. I can express my wholeheartedness to you, my viewer, the person who loves to watch my content. So help me out here. Now it is around 2:15 in the morning. I just finished up with the subtitles of my video. I have, this is just the finishing of 195. That 195 is going to be uploaded so as I finish recording this. But anyway, guys, this will be a very short vlog. I did try a couple of attempts, and I'll put them in, and you can see just how uncomfortable I feel. A common problem that I have is I'm so afraid of being disliked all the time. So getting a bit more comfortable with that stuff helps me out. And do some more really is just fucked, but it was working just fine before I dropped it off at the mechanic, so who knows what happened in between now and then. But if anyone knows, maybe write the comment down below, let me know what you think. I gotta get ready for my stream and hopefully have a good time. Now, as you can see, with just how uncomfortable I feel during those takes and how I second guess myself, that's the kind of stuff that I'm trying to get rid of, because I get easily distracted, I'm over analytical on my own words, and I can't seem to get my point across very easily. I did try that a lot on stream today, so you probably go and check out my stream. I did try a little bit of the right hemisphere stuff, but it's a state of where you are relaxed and alert at the same time. You're relaxed and alert, and there's some meditation actually involved in fully accessing the state. It's kind of like in the zone. Anyway, guys, like I said, very short vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out vlog 197. Yeah, thank you, and bye for now.